This is the quick review of the Adesso T40. But before we go to it, let's look at the Logitech Marble. You can see that they are remarkably similar in size, scale, and also shape. The Logitech is, the trackball is directly in the middle. That way you can use it with your right hand or with your left hand. The problem with the Logitech is that it's wire, USB, and that is a problem for my desktop because I hate having wires and I hate having clutters. So the next logical step is to buy the wireless version of it, and unfortunately Logitech refused to make the Marble wireless for whatever reason. So Adesso T40 is the next best thing. Unfortunately, the Adesso T40 is horrible, okay? First, let's look at the ball. This is the default ball that comes with the Adesso. You can see that it's perfectly smooth, round. There's absolutely no patterns whatsoever, and that's a problem because the optical camera in the mouse just simply can't pick it up. So that's why I took the ball from the Logitech. I swap it over. The Logitech ball has a lot of patterns. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's there. Let's look at some features of the Adesso T40 itself. Here you can see that there's the left click, right click, going back in a website or folders when you're exploring Windows, going forward in a website or Windows as well. There's a scroll wheel, which is a very nice addition to the Logitech Marble that the Marble does not have. Here is DPI. You can change DPI on the fly, and it takes AA battery in the back. So besides the trackball swap with the Marble, now the Adesso T40 is almost perfect. Why is it almost perfect? Because once in a while you lose connection. So I'm scrolling, I'm moving the mouse around, and suddenly there's no response from the trackball whatsoever, which is kind of weird. So I have to wait 1 second, then it's back in action again. Very annoying, but it's there. I can't tell if it's because it's wireless interference from other wireless devices in my on my desktop, but it is definitely there. So if you're willing to live with some annoying issues with it, then this is the Adesso T40 wireless trackball for you. It's perfect for your left hand or your right hand. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment below.